No matter how big your business is and in what area you're working in, you definitely deal with application management on a daily basis. So, you might be already familiar with mass deployments of applications and the pain it can create for your IT department. Apptimized Factory provides you with a turnkey, easy-to-use yet powerful service which can take the extensive and time-consuming process off your shoulders. Getting packages from Apptimized is as simple as uploading your installation media to our secure cloud, documenting the desired configuration by simply installing it, placing an order, and getting a ready-to-use package matching all your requirements and industry best practices. We have 15 years of experience and have heavily automated the packaging and testing processes. Hence, we guarantee to deliver your packages within SLA and at a great price. On top of that, you can save on expensive infrastructure and toolset licensing. All you need is your laptop, everything else is included. Apptimized Factory is available 24/7 to ensure a smooth delivery of all app packages your business will ever need. For the package price, you not just get a service, but direct contact with an experienced software delivery engineer who can answer all your questions and provide technical support in application packaging and deployment areas. You already have an application lifecycle management system? Apptimized Factory can be plugged into your existing processes via an extensive API. You can do everything right from the tool you like, and Apptimized will do the rest. Put the apps on the conveyor and we'll do the rest.